This presentation is powered by ERP Works, one of the most experienced Microsoft partners in Australia, with over 25 years of successfully implementing ERP projects to local businesses across the country. Taking the decision to upgrade to a new ERP system is a big step. However, considering who will implement the new software is just as important. With years of experience in delivering projects, we understand the challenges. When considering an IT company to implement your new system, think about these challenges. Avoid the mistakes of others. We have compiled some of the mistakes which could contribute to a failed implementation. There are a number of benefits to selecting an experienced implementer, including expertise, efficiency and reliable support. A sound selection criteria should be considered when selecting an IT partner to implement your new system. Here are some of the criteria which should be applied. Ask the implementer specific questions to understand their approach and the soundness of their experience and knowledge. The implementer's job is to work within the scope and budget of the project. Ask the implementer how they will manage these critical outcomes. Here are a few key takeaways from this presentation that could save you time and money. The time it takes to call an experienced IT systems implementer, like ERP Works, is an investment in ensuring a great outcome for your new system implementation. Contact us now to discuss your project or visit our website for more information.